Hey guys, welcome back to another video of our channel. Today we will see how to post on Craigslist without getting flagged. Posting on Craigslist without getting flagged can be a bit tricky, but here are some tips to help you out. Follow Craigslist guidelines. Make sure you adhere to Craigslist posting rules and guidelines. Avoid posting prohibited items or services. Step 2. Choose the right category. Post your ad in the most appropriate category. Misclassified ads are more likely to get flagged. Step 3. Limit posting frequency. Don't post the same ad too frequently in multiple locations. This can be seen as spam. Step 4. Use unique content. Avoid using the same content for multiple ads. Make each ad unique and relevant. Step 5. Avoid spammy language. Use clear and descriptive titles and avoid language that might be associated with spam. Step 6. Monitor your IP address. If your ads are constantly getting flagged, it might be due to your IP address. Consider using a different IP or VPN. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.